Americans. I think we all know where this is going, so let's just skip to the end.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a fire warning at the request of the Borger Emergency Manager for southern Hutchison County on the west side of Borger. At 7:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located over Borger on the north side of Highway 136, moving rapidly to the east. Areas impacted. Residents on the west side of Borger north of Highway 136 should move east of Cedar Street. Additional information, smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Do not approach the wildfire.